Hello and welcome to your day one yoga snack. Just 5 minutes to release and reset your neck. Let's get started in any easy cross-legged variation. You can do this either on chair or on the bed as well. Relax your shoulders. Draw your chin to chest. Now draw your left ear to left shoulder and then draw back chin to chest. Right ear meets the right shoulder. Repeat this 5 more times on your own pace. Inhale, draw your ears to the shoulders. Exhale, chin to chest. As you move, breathe. As you breathe, just notice at the back of your neck. Just mindful moments here. You're welcome to take pauses and swing back and forth whenever needed. Whenever you feel stiffness anywhere, just surrender with each exhale. Couple of times. One last time. And then pause when your right ear meets the right shoulder. Option to stay here or use your right hand to apply gentle pressure on your head. Option to release the left hand to this side. If this touches enough, you stay here or wrap your left arm right behind you. A gentle stretch at the left side of your neck. Pause and breathe. One final breath. And then see, draw your head diagonally so that your head is slightly closer to your collarbone. And hold here. Just see how the stretch is shifted from side of your neck to the back of your neck. Breathe here. One final breath. And then release your right hand. And then if your arm is wrapped, just unwrap your arm and draw your chin to chest. Take your left ear to left shoulder. Hold here and option to place your left hand to your head. Right arm extended to the side, either or find a wrap if it is accessible for you. All our options, choose your variation, pause and breathe here. Feel the stretch at the right side of your skin, all the way down to your shoulder. One final breath. And then gently draw your head slightly down, diagonally, so that your head is in line with your collarbone. Surrender with each exhale. One final breath. Release. Head back to the center, release your both hands. Now lift your chin to the ceiling. Feel the stretch at the front side of your neck. Draw an imaginary orb using your chin to the left. You're looking over your left shoulder and then draw the arc back to the ceiling and then to the right. Gazing over your right shoulder. Repeat this 5 more times. As you move, breathe. As you breathe, notice any tight spots. Just relaxing with each exhale. Then place your head back to the center. Now let's go ahead for chin tucks. Let me turn to the side so that you can see me clearly. Your chin is parallel to the ground, shoulders are relaxed, the spine is long. Then tuck your chin back. Feel the length at the back of your neck. Hold here for 2 seconds and then release your neck to the neutral position. Let's repeat this 8 to 10 times. If it's harder to feel the movement, place index finger upon your chin and then gently slide your chin back, really activating the deep muscles at the back of your neck. And not forcing, you're gently feeling the length at the back of your neck. Last 3. strengthening the back muscles, and then release. Well, we often work upon our desks, seeing our gadgets. The back muscles are getting weaker and weaker, so we strengthen that thing. That was the today's first yoga snack. Comment below how your neck felt after this short and effective practice. Also, combine this yoga snack along with other snacks which are coming up soon according to your needs and available time. Namaste. See you and take care.